Welcome, friends. Are you ready to say goodbye to sleepless nights and embrace a peaceful, restorative sleep? Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful solution that can help calm your mind and soothe your body naturally. In this video, I'll share with you 5 amazing herbal teas, specially chosen for those aged 70 and above, that can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. Whether you're looking for a remedy for occasional sleeplessness or a natural addition to your nightly routine, these teas might be just what you need. Before we begin, if you enjoy helpful tips and natural wellness ideas, do consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our community for more simple and effective health tips. Your support truly motivates us to create more content that can make your life a little better each day. Imagine ending each day with a warm, soothing cup of tea that not only tastes delightful, but also prepares your mind and body for a deep, rejuvenating sleep. No more tossing and turning or staring at the ceiling for hours, just a peaceful transition into dreamland. So grab your favorite mug and a cozy blanket, because we're about to explore the secrets of nature's sleep aids that have been treasured for generations. Now let's count down the top 5 herbal teas for a better night's sleep, starting with number 5.
5. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea is a gentle, calming drink cherished for centuries as a natural way to relax the mind and ease daily stress. Its soft floral aroma and delicate taste make it the perfect companion for unwinding after a busy day. This soothing tea is rich in antioxidants and carries mild sedative properties that help quiet an overactive mind. Many people enjoy a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed as part of a nightly ritual, signaling to their body that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. In addition to its calming effects, chamomile tea is also known to support a healthy digestive system, which can further contribute to overall comfort at night. By incorporating chamomile into your evening routine, you not only nurture your body, but also create a peaceful moment to reflect on your day. 4. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea offers much more than a refreshing, minty flavor. It's a delightful blend that helps ease both physical and mental tension. Its invigorating aroma can lift your spirits while simultaneously calming your nerves, making it a superb choice for your nighttime routine. The natural compounds in peppermint are believed to help relax the muscles and soothe the stomach, reducing discomfort that might otherwise keep you awake. Additionally, this tea has a cooling effect that can clear your sinuses and promote easier breathing, which is especially beneficial if you've had a long, stressful day. As a caffeine-free beverage, peppermint tea is ideal for those looking to wind down without worrying about stimulant effects, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful transition into sleep. 3. Lemon Balm Tea. Lemon balm tea brings a bright, citrusy burst of flavor that not only delights your taste buds, but also helps calm your mind. Known for its gentle sedative qualities, this herbal tea has long been used to ease anxiety and promote relaxation. By reducing stress and lifting your mood, lemon balm tea sets the perfect stage for a good night's sleep. Its natural properties work to soothe a racing mind and alleviate tension, making it easier to let go of the day's worries. Moreover, lemon balm is often appreciated for its potential to improve cognitive function and overall emotional well-being. Enjoying a cup of lemon balm tea in the evening can be a delightful ritual that helps you transition from the hustle of the day to the peaceful rest of the night. 2. Passionflower Tea. Passionflower tea is a cherished herbal remedy celebrated for its calming properties that help ease the mind and prepare the body for a night of deep, restful sleep. This soothing tea is made from the delicate blooms and leaves of the passionflower plant, which have been used traditionally to reduce anxiety and stress. Its subtle, sweet flavor, paired with a mild herbal aroma, creates a serene atmosphere that gently guides you toward relaxation. Many people have found that including passionflower tea in their nightly routine not only helps quiet their thoughts, but also aids in lowering elevated heart rates, making it easier to drift off to sleep. This natural remedy is a wonderful alternative for those who prefer to avoid chemical sleep aids, as it works harmoniously with your body's own relaxation processes. A warm cup of Passionflower Tea can serve as a comforting ritual that signals your body to wind down and prepare for a peaceful night, leaving you feeling more balanced and calm. 1. Valerian Root Tea. Valerian Root Tea stands at the top of our list as the most potent herbal ally for a sound night's sleep. Derived from the root of the valerian plant, this time-honored remedy has been used for centuries as a natural way to support sleep and relieve tension. The earthy, slightly bitter flavor of Valerian Root Tea might take a little getting used to, but its powerful benefits make it well worth incorporating into your bedtime routine. Known for its natural sedative effects, valerian root works by promoting a sense of relaxation and easing the transition into sleep. Many people turn to valerian tea when they need to soothe a restless mind or calm physical tension accumulated during the day. Its deep, calming influence can help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, ensuring you get the restorative rest you deserve. By making valerian root tea a part of your evening ritual, you create a peaceful environment that invites relaxation and rejuvenation, helping you wake up refreshed and ready to embrace the new day. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover nature's gentle remedies for a good night's sleep. I hope these herbal teas have sparked some ideas for creating a calm and cozy bedtime routine that helps you relax, recharge, and wake up feeling refreshed. Remember, each cup is more than just a drink. It's a small act of self-care that can transform your evenings and improve your overall well-being. If you found these tips helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing your own bedtime rituals in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, natural ways to boost your health and well-being. Your encouragement inspires me to keep exploring and sharing more wellness tips that make life a little brighter each day. Wishing you a night filled with sweet dreams and peaceful rest. Until next time, take good care and sleep well.